Welcome back to yet another episode of Madcat Sailing, guys. You're in for a treat. We've got plenty of wind and plenty of sailing to show you, but before we go ahead with that, we're going to show you a little prezi that we've had in the post. And I think some of you may remember I had a bit of a whinge about this a little while back. Enjoy, guys. Just had a delivery this morning. If you remember a while back, I broke something and I had a little whinge on the trip, and I said I'd probably never get one again. Yeah, for those of you that can remember, here goes. New toys, new toys. Catch you in a bit. Sailing as close to the wind as I can possibly get. Just reaching slack tide. It's still choppy. What you can see me trying to do here is I'm trying to force the bow of the boat up into the wind. These boats are more than capable. They're well known for how close they can sail up into the wind. Unfortunately today the wind's that strong it's actually forcing it round to the starboard side, which you saw it do earlier. Feels like an achievement. You can just see the pilot boarding station written on that wall there. That's where we kept getting to, and it just wouldn't turn up through the wind, and we ended up coming back on ourselves every time. We've passed it. It's a small achievement, but we've done it. Well, for a second time out, there was plenty of wind, and we made it back. We made it back. Cheers, catch you later. Thank you for watching. We'll catch you next time on Madcat Sailing. Don't forget, like, subscribe and share with your mateys. Yeah. That's what you call recycling. Keep your neck warm. Keep your neck warm. I'll find another use for the box later.